To Day of Life #1 of Emily Sarah Schwartz. This is the happy mother and the happy brother. And I know everybody's very anxious to see the baby, so let's just move over here.
Here she is, Emily Sarah.
There she is.
There's a kitty cat, honey.
Let's see.
As you can give a baby a kiss.
As you can see, it's
Give Ben a kiss. Mwah.
4 o'clock. The baby was born at 1:24, and so the baby's 2.5 hours
Oh, I'm
old.
so tired. Sorry, I'm so out of it.
This is the interview, and what Erica's comments are, I'm so tired. Ben, what's going on over there?
The on switch.
But
How long her fingernails are.
He's making an EKG.
this is beautiful, Emily.
Uh-oh. There's only 2 pages left, so. Here she is. Can you see her?
Oh yeah.
She looks like Ben.
It does.
She has a downturned mouth like they showed in the ultrasound when she was 36 weeks.
Isn't she cute?
Puppy, honey?
Ben, you say hi, Emily? There's Ben, technocrat, making an EKG. Ben, say hi to the camera. No, honey, you can't get up there.
Ben, you want to say hi to the baby again? Oh, noise. Noise. Bye-bye, noise. Want to hold the baby? She's just asleep. I know, she is. I didn't realize she was so red in the face. Want to see the baby? Nice hands, honey. Get in, Patrick.
Ben, say hi, Emily.
Come around this side, honey. If you to see better.
Everybody's a director.
Nice. Baby's not crying, honey. Baby's sleeping.
Baby's sleeping. Baby's night-nights. That's right, that's the baby's crib.
Yeah. Does baby have a crib like you? Baby is not. You see the baby's night nights? Ben's night nights? I don't think so. You want to try it out up there, don't you? That's too small for you.
Baby Baba.
You want to sing Baby Balloon to the baby now? Okay. You gotta sing. Start singing.
Baby bug in the big blue sea. Swim so wild, swim so free.
There's the words.
I'm not singing.
And everybody's dancing.
Heaven above, the sea below, is a little white whale on the sun. Ben, is that baby very small? Tillinows. What? I do? Oh. Okay, Jenny.
Wait a minute.
The light hair she's got. Let's start. Let's start.
The Zoom doesn't work anymore. One ringy dingy.
Hello? Hi. Hey. You're in Albany. You're in Albany.
Oh, we're getting it all over your face.
Everybody's perfect. Yeah, this is an 11 out of 10 situation.
There's Gail.
Well, Erica went through very fast.
On your way?
Nope, not a bit.
Good girl.
Not a bit. We gotta get her rinsed off before she goes and puts all that soapy water in her face. Oh my goodness, you don't like your bath?
I never do, do
No, they don't. They hate it. But once you can start putting her in a tub, huh?
Feels like she's
Once you can start putting her in a tub, she's gonna just love it.
This could be a lot worse. She's not that sore. She's not that tired.
Oh.
Here's the little. Oh, oops. Where'd your hand go? The little hand. I think she said daddy.
Emily, open your eyes.
Your eyes, honey.
I can't see anything.
I'm gonna show up your eyes. There she is.
There she is trying to eat her hand.
Oh, she's asleep.
Yeah, she's looking. Benson cookie.